𝗪𝗵 International School Multimedia Production proudly presents United Nations 2025. Every year, we celebrate one of the most meaningful events that reminds us of unity, peace, and global friendship, the United Nations celebration. The stage shines with the colors of the world, where culture meets pride, where every move tells a story, and where every smile bridges nations together. Each graceful step, each radiant smile, each heartbeat in rhythm echoes one powerful message: that though we come from different countries, we share one heart, one dream, and one world. In every sway, every gesture, and every confident walk, our students remind us that unity is not just seen, it is felt. Each student represents not just a country, but the hope of a generation that believes in harmony beyond borders. They walk with confidence, pride, and purpose, showing the world that peace begins with understanding and respect. And now, let us welcome our preschool and kindergarten learners, the youngest members of our global family. Though small in stature, they walk with great pride, representing the innocence and joy of a world at peace. From the vibrant patterns of Africa to the graceful elegance of Asia, from the classic beauty of Europe to the colorful warmth of the Americas, our students bring the world together in one breathtaking display of harmony. Behind every proud walk are teachers who inspired, parents who encouraged, and a school community that worked hand in hand to make this celebration possible. Together, they remind us that unity begins with simple acts of love and cooperation. Next, our elementary students take the stage, radiant in their colorful national costumes, bringing to life the traditions and stories of the nations they represent. Each child walks with confidence, carrying not only a country's name, but the spirit of unity and friendship that binds us all together. As the Catwalk of Nations continues, we see more than just costumes. We see cultures intertwined, dreams shared, and friendships formed. In every flag, there is a story. In every color, there is pride. And in every young heart, there is hope for peace, friendship, and unity. Those stories come alive here at 𝗪𝗵 International School as we celebrate United Nations 2025, featuring the Catwalk of Nations. We see the spirit of the United Nations, alive in the hearts of every student who walks with courage and joy. And now, our junior and senior high school students take the stage, graceful, confident, and full of pride. They walk not just for show, but for the message they carry, that the youth of today are the peacemakers of tomorrow. Each one represents a story of growth, learning, and hope. They remind us that the beauty of our world is found not in sameness, but in the diversity that brings us together. In a world of many colors, languages, and dreams, there is one rhythm that connects us all, the rhythm of unity. Today, through the language of movement and music, our students share a story that speaks louder than words, a story that reminds us that peace is possible when hearts move together in harmony. This is the Unity Dance of United Nations 2025, a tribute to peace, love, and togetherness, a living symbol that the world becomes brighter when we move as one. Because no matter who we are or where we come from, the rhythm of unity will always guide our steps toward a future where we all dance as one world, one heart, and one nation of humanity. As the spotlight shines on our winners, we recognize the effort behind every stitch, every accessory, and every carefully chosen detail. What we see on stage is more than a beautifully crafted costume. It is a stunning display of talent, identity, and cultural appreciation. Each ensemble reflects hours of preparation, creativity, and passion. And to our awardees, congratulations! Your extraordinary presentation has captured the heart of this year's United Nations celebration. You stood out not only because of how you looked, but because of how you represented your chosen country. With respect, elegance, and unmistakable passion. Today, we honor the adorable and impressive participants of the NKP for the best in national costume. We also celebrate the winners of NKP Mr. and Ms. Photogenic. A final walk of Mr. and Ms. United Nations. We take a moment to honor the brilliance, creativity, and hard work shown in the weeks leading up to our United Nations celebration. These preliminary activities were more than just contests. They were opportunities for our students to explore, imagine, and engage with the world. And then, the announcement echoed across the hall. The new Mr. United Nation 2025, followed by the declaration of Miss United Nation 2025. The winners stepped forward. Crowns were placed. Sashes were draped across their shoulders, and applause thundered through the room. It was more than a coronation. It was the beginning of a new responsibility. As the United Nations 2025 celebration ended, hearts were filled with gratitude for everyone who made this meaningful event a success. To the school management, whose steadfast leadership and unwavering support made every activity not only possible, but truly inspiring. Your vision laid the foundation for a celebration that brought to life the values of peace, unity, and cultural appreciation. This success was also made possible through the dedication of our faculty and staff, whose tireless efforts turned every plan into reality. From creative preparation to the flawless execution of every performance and presentation. Teachers were recognized for their passion in guiding our students to understand and respect the diversity of nations, cultures, and people around the world. Heartfelt appreciation was also extended to our parents, whose constant encouragement and cooperation served as a source of strength and motivation. Their unwavering support gave our learners the confidence to perform, participate, and proudly represent the nations they portrayed. Truly, the triumph of United Nations 2025 was not the success of a few, but the result of collaboration, unity, and a shared belief in global peace and friendship. More than just a celebration, it reflected harmony, teamwork, and the boundless potential of the youth to build a world where diversity is celebrated and everyone stands united as one.